Welcome, everyone. You on mute, Tiara. Up to you. Hello, everyone. If you could add your name so we know who you are. And if you don't mind, we definitely would like to see your face. I want to know who I'm going to be in business with now.
Hey.
Hello, 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 hello. So we're going to wait a few more minutes to allow other people to jump on.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening. Hello, hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Perfect. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I know it's a little late, but I felt like this time actually worked better for everyone. I'm excited. I hope you guys are. So we're just going to wait probably about 2 more minutes here. You want to get started at 9:05? Well, actually, 1 more minute.
Can y'all drop where states y'all not calling from, where y'all zooming in from? Hey, everybody.
I'm from Florida.
Okay. Indiana.
I'm from Mississippi.
Okay. So mainly everybody out south, right? Illinois, Indiana.
Well, you know where I'm from. iPhone, where are you from? Who is this iPhone right here? What's your name? We got 2 iPhones left. Okay, Mississippi in the house.
So all of us country then.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
I'm gonna go ahead and start. It's 8:05 on my side.
Yep.
Okay, welcome everyone. So for the ones that do not know me, my name is Tiara Williams. I'm a top earner and doing taxes as well, and I'm located in Jackson, Tennessee. Now, I told Miss Melody about this good opportunity that can put you in position. This year was my first year doing taxes, where I made over $50,000 doing people taxes within 60 days. Now, I felt like I could have done more because, I have other businesses as well. But, by barely trying, I made over $50,000 doing taxes. You can also do other people taxes in any state as well. You don't have to just worry about the people that's around you. Even if you hadn't even done taxes before, we're going to start doing training in November. Okay, so the training go from November all the way to January. We're going to show you how to do businesses. We're going to show you how to do W-2s, 1099s, and we're going to also put y'all in position where you can get like EA in front of your name. It's called an enrolled agent, where you can do taxes up to $3,000. So that's good, by itself. Even when you're an enrolled agent, like big businesses will reach out to you to do their taxes. That means that you have quicker access to the IRS than a regular tax preparer. But it's free to get started. Now, the way that the pay go is not nothing that's hourly. Say for instance, if you charge $500 to do somebody's taxes, you get 60% of that, which means you just made $350 just for doing somebody's taxes within 10 to 15 minutes. It usually take me 10 to 15 minutes to do it because I send out a list of things that I need for my people before I even get started. And if they don't answer my questions or send the stuff that I need, I will inbox them and let them know, I need this and that before I start your taxes. But you don't even need an office space for this. I do have an office space, but I only met one person in my office. Everybody that I done was virtually. So people, they don't mind sending you their information, especially if they trust you, or if your page actually look like a business page, which we will show y'all how to brand yourself so y'all will be able to get people attention as well and be able to gain people trust also. Even if you wanted to build a team with this, you could build a team with this. But for you to get a profit share off your team, you have to get 25 people paid through the RRS. So once 25 people are paid through the RRS, you get 10% of what your team does. So say for instance, if your team do 100,000 in sales, you just made $10,000 from what your people did. So it's like you building a franchise, and it's free to get started. All you need to do is get you a PTN on the RRS website. They just updated the 2023, where it's $35.95 for a PTN. And we also need you to do the due diligence test, which, Miss Melody will send y'all all this if you want to get started. So you can get a credit through an RRS as well, and they can help you be able to charge more for taxes. And we also letting y'all be able to charge up to $2,000 just to do somebody's taxes. So even if you charge $1,500, you just made $850 off that one person. But as your 25 people get paid through the RRS, your commission goes up. So say for instance, you start out at 60%. Once you get 25 people paid through the RRS, your commission go up to an extra 10%, where you get 70%. And then when you get another 25 paid, you get 80%. So it only stops at 80%. So it's basically like you owning the whole business, but the extra 20% is what, we have to worry about, like paying the banks and stuff that y'all don't have to worry about. And like I said, if you want to start a team, you can with this. Anybody have any questions for me? I just wanted to make it short and brief. Also the company is called Impact Taxes as well. If y'all was wondering the name of the company, we'll give y'all the softwares. Also, the software is also free to use, but the main thing is just finding your own people, which is easy to do because people gonna come to file them taxes. Even if they have a W-2, I'm telling people, to beat the competition, I would just charge $500 to do somebody's taxes that has a W-2, because when you go to H&R Block or Jackson Hewitt, they charging $674 here. I'm not sure about other states, but here in Tennessee, I know that's how much they're charging. You ain't got any questions for me? Yes, ma'am.
Do we need the PTN number before we start the training? Is that something that we need to be going ahead and getting now?
Yes, ma'am. Because the training don't start to the beginning of November. So you still got a couple of days to get it done, but you still got to think about the due diligence test on the RRS website that you need to do as well after you get your PTN. Because, we're not training people if they don't have their PTN, because we have to put it in the system, on the software, and it won't let us go forward if you don't have the PTN. And even if you build a team with this, we would train your people for you if you can go ahead and try to get people, let people know about the services before November the 1st.
Okay, I do have one other question. So I've been doing my own taxes for the last 10 years, but I've been doing it on TurboTax. So once I get my PTN, is that going to affect me filing my own taxes, or is it just better if I have that information when starting my doing my own taxes starting next year?
You could file your own taxes. I filed mine for $299 when I did it, $299. I don't know if y'all heard about that COVID credit, but a lot of people missed out on the COVID credit, through TurboTax. You could have got extra money. Did you know about the COVID credit?
Just the one with the was it the child tax credit? I did get that. That made my taxes go up this year, but not anything about a COVID credit. So that's good to know because I didn't know about that.
Yes, we have well, it's over with now. So the
Right.
COVID credit, we done it for this year, but I got a lot of people a lot of money from that. And that's, people start referring people to me. So with the referrals, I was giving $50 for the referral bonus, but I wasn't giving the $50 until I got paid through the IRS for the people that I done. Also,
Right.
you can make this an LLC as well. I forgot to say that also, because it'll be your business. You could do it, run it how you want to. If you want to hire people, I say get an LLC as well, so you can pay your people out also. Anybody else have a question?
I do have to get off of here around like 9:50 because I gotta walk into work. Is there gonna be another meeting or someone I can talk to catch up on what I missed out on?
Yes, we'll definitely will be in contact. We can schedule a one-on-one.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So I have a question. So if you already do taxes, and I have customers already. So if I have customers, are you saying I have to bring them over to your system?
Are you trying to just get the training, or what you trying to do? Because I know some people have reached out to me, wanting to do taxes, but they have their own software. But the thing is, we don't want to train people that have their own software and they're not using our software.
I don't have a software. I don't have my own software.
Well, you can use them for, this company and choose what you want to choose to charge.
Okay.
Especially if you build a team. If you already got people, that's good for you. And then we get paid every week. So once your people get paid, we get paid the week after they get paid.
Okay.
Good money. Anybody else got a question? Also, we have a tax group that she can add y'all in as well. So if y'all want to get started, you can just let Miss Melody know and she'll put you in the tax groups and we'll drop down the day and time that we'll start trainings as well. Now, the woman that's over it, she's my business partner. Her name is Latasha Stanley over Impact Taxes. She will be the one training y'all. Not only her, it will be me and 3 other people that I know of, but I know she's getting other people that have been doing taxes for years to train y'all as well. So y'all won't, be lost doing your taxes. We want y'all to know what y'all, need to do, especially the ones with big businesses where you can help your businesses get out the red. Because that means they're going to always keep coming back to you. Yep. Anybody else have questions? You have anything you want to say, Miss Melody?
No, not at this point. If everyone is pretty much all straight, when it comes down to any additional questions, ask now if you wanted to know.
I forgot to say one more thing.
Oh, go ahead.
Also, we'll have the business in the box.
Oh,
I don't know if y'all ever heard the business in the box. Doing taxes, I have had a lot of people that reached out to me that has a business, but they don't have the LLC. So with the business in the box, if you do their taxes, you can offer the business in the box to them and get their money drawn out. Now, it's going to cost different prices for different states, but we can have their LLC structure right. They'll have the LLCs, the operating agreement, the DUNS number, the net 30 number as well. And it comes with some other stuff too, where their businesses will be structured right, so they'll be able to qualify for business credit as well. Because some people think just having an LLC is all you need, but no, you need to have their, their DUNS number and all that to be able to qualify for the business credit as well, just to help them with their business so they can know, because people don't know.
I do have another question.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Will you guys give us like what you guys would think we should charge for like different filings, like a W-2, a 1099, stuff like that? Do you guys give us what you think that we should start off charging with that price? Because like I do my own taxes and my sister taxes, but I've never done anybody else's taxes.
Yes, so we're going to teach y'all on how to do that as well. But it's up to you on what you want to charge, but we do let y'all know how to, do it. But it's up to you on what you want your prices to be.
Right.
I
So
charged a lot of people over 1,500 this last year, 1,500 and 1,000. I know some people that's in this business that don't even charge no less than 1,000 just because of the credits they have through the RRS, and then they have that EA in their name. So that's why we want to teach y'all on how to do that, so y'all can get that too, because we don't want to just be known as tax preparers. We'll be enrolled agents.
exactly.
Gotcha.
Before we get that
Okay,
good
that
money.
makes sense.
But you can definitely call around and see what H&R Block, Jackson, Hewitt, and things like that is charging as well, and kind of base your numbers there. Our goal and what we will be telling my team itself is obviously go a little bit less. Obviously, you know, beat your competition for sure.
Right.
That's
Okay.
why I was saying 500 for W-2s.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Even H&R Block and Jackson Hewitt, they charge an additional charge just for extra W-2s. If you have extra W-2s, they charge it for each one. I didn't even know that. I didn't even do that. I just charged the price and got them their money.
Okay, that makes sense.
And a lot of them was fine with it. Yep. Anybody else have a question? Is anybody excited? Because y'all quiet. Like this is the
Right.
money team over here.
Right.
Yes, I'm
Are y'all
really
not
excited. I don't know about anybody else on the phone, but I am. I'm excited to get started.
Yes, I'm very excited. I'm over here just taking notes. This was
Okay, 'cause
asking all
this
the
is the
questions, and I'm
perfect-
taking, and I'm just writing down all the answers. over here.
Good. This is the perfect time to get in. It's early enough to get all the information to study, you know, do your own studying and so forth, and stay in touch on what's actually going on, you know, because we're going to be able to offer a lot of perks when it comes down to those cash advantages, and the marketing will be there. I mean, if you follow me on social media, you'll be able to take exactly what I put on there and post it on your page as well. And then just the other marketing tips and things like that, because you definitely want to let people know that you're in business and so forth and what your prices are. So they'll come to you.
It sounds good to me.
Right. One girl at the convention we went to Sunday, well, the other Sunday, she did 300,000 by herself. She made 300,000.
Hey,
That's
I said,
Tier,
dang,
awesome.
my
Tier, I'm
50,000.
here.
My 50.
Hello.
What you say, Mr. Lamont? Yes, sir.
Hey, Tier, I'm here. I'm kind of doing something else. I couldn't talk. Like, could you explain to them a little bit about that cash advance, being able to get in there before Christmas?
Yes, we have a thing that's called a Christmas advance where they can get up to $6,000. But on that, that's not up to us on how much they can get approved for. The bank that we go through decides on that, because they do check their credit score for that. But they can get up to $6,000. I didn't have no one that got up to 6,000. The highest one was up to 1,500, but the lowest was 750. But it depends on their credit score. But yeah, we're gonna offer that as well. And that can help you get more people also.
And then with
And
the
then you
payment,
gotta also,
oh, you can finish. I can ask after you finish.
I forgot what I was gonna say. What was I gonna say? You gotta also think about it too with the referral fees. Like what I'm gonna tell people is if they refer 10 or more people to me, I'm gonna give them $100 for each person they refer to me once they, get paid. Because you got to think about it, we don't have that extra credit that's coming next year. So do
Right.
what you need to do to try to get people under you, because then there's more people you're gonna have coming every year, and they're gonna keep on referring people to you. Now, if they referring like 1 to 3 people, that's $50 for each person. But if y'all can bring, they can bring me 10 or more people, $100 for each person y'all brought to me. Because say, for instance, even if you charged 1,000, starting at 60%, you made 600 off of that. Well, you just gave that person, $100. You still made $500 off of that.
Right.
And it just adds up.
Right. Definitely some nice incentives there to offer.
Mm-hmm.
And
Do you need your EFIN or are we using yours?
Using Latasha's. All you need is a P10. That's all you need. Everything else we take care of it.
I have a P10 and EFIN.
Nice.
Okay. No, you don't need that. Just the P10.
How do we get that P10 again?
Miss Melody.
Is there any other questions?
Anybody have questions?
Jinx.
Yeah, how do we get that P10 again?
Oh, it's going to be posted in the group.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everyone was added to a group on Messenger. I don't know if you have to go and click in like your spam or anything like that, but definitely go and check that. That's the group, and that's where all the information and upcoming Zooms and so forth will be posted.
Okay, yeah, I've seen it.
Okay,
Thank
perfect.
you.
You're welcome. Well, if we don't have any more questions, oh look, me and Tia have been doing this all day. Like, literally, we were texting each other the same exact thing today.
Yes.
But
I just want to
go ahead.
girl, go ahead. I'm
No.
done talking. I'm finna mute it.
Go ahead.
I just want to say, if y'all get started or whatever, welcome to the team, and you'll learn a lot from this. I'm gonna also say this one thing, and this don't think I'm gonna say. It's free to get started right now, but the information that y'all learn, people charging $500 to $1,000 for this information. Learn the information, and you can do the same. So that could have, be something under your belt as well, where you can, train your people when you get your new people on next year. Like I said, next year I'm gonna have 2 different packages. I'm gonna have a basic package. Like if they don't need my help, they could get started for free. But if they need my help and need the training, I'm charging $299 for them to get started, and then they'll have my help for the rest of the, the year for that tax year. So do whatever can bring money in your pocket.
Well, I do want to say thank you, ladies, for giving us this opportunity. I'm definitely on board, and I just wanted to put that out there because, like you did say, you guys.
She muted her. Your mic muted.
Did you hear me?
Yes, we hear you now.
Okay, so I was just saying that I wanted to say thank you, ladies, for the opportunity. I'm definitely on board. I'm definitely excited to get started because, like you stated, you guys could have charged for the opportunity for the software, all of this. So I just really wanted to tell you guys thank you for the opportunity, and I'm excited to get to know you and Melody more.
Absolutely.
We can plan a trip when we get done after tax season, get a yacht.
And
have us some fun.
it's taxes.
Yes,
You gotta think about
I'm
the industry
definitely down.
itself. Like taxes, a lot of people, everyone most likely is going to be filing taxes. So it's not like we're selling, a weight loss product. We selling taxes. Everybody waiting on them W-2s to come through. Somebody in your family, whether you want to start out small, large, you don't even have to start a team. It literally can just be yourself and you can go through it. But definitely you'll have the information and the resources that are needed to branch off or, because look, Tierra right here, she made what, 50,000?
By myself without a team. So just think.
Do we have to file it?
You're gonna do 100.
Do we have to file the money we make when we file our taxes this year or no?
The following year would be, right?
Yeah, it'll be the following year.
Yeah, definitely.
And then even if you get food stamps or get Medicaid, they can't see it because it's a 1099.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a good thing too.
And you can operate in all 50 states, correct?
Yep, all 50 states.
So, I mean, this is definitely something that I would say be a part of for sure.
Mm-hmm.
I know I am.
And I am too, Melody.
Look, I can read, I can write, and data entry, I can type. We're going to make it happen.
We're going to make it work. Yes.
And like I said, it's a group of people. So we'll be able to host these like Tierra and Latasha. We'll be on Zooms and things like that where we can ask those questions. You have that group, you have that support. And obviously the messenger and things like that. So you won't just be out here by yourself. You are independent, but you won't be alone.
Yep.
But that's all I have. Thank you. I appreciate it. Share it with your family, your friends, if they want to be a part of the team and learn. Tell them to come on. I won't be adding anyone else to our team starting in November when the training starts. So that's when I'm cutting it off. But you guys are obviously can do however, run your business however you would like to. But the group that we have right here won't go past that. And I believe people are doing it the same way.
Okay.
So everyone's on the same page and we're all, learning together.
Got it.
All righty. Well, we're not going to hold you up. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. If you have any questions, definitely check that group on Messenger. You should already be in there. And then, like I said, let's get it, right?
Right.
All righty. Well, thank you, ladies.
Thank
All right.
Thank you
you.
all. Have a great evening. Thank you,
You as
Tia.
well. Bye.
Bye-bye.